Hello my dear friends, in this video of today I will teach you how to get motivated by yourself, some of the tips. So let's start now. First of all, what do you want to do on your life? So get ready and all of you, if you don't know what you want to do on your life, then you never do anything in your life. Never waste time. Most of the UG students in this pandemic situations, they don't know what to do. They just sitting and playing the mobiles and so many things. But you have to do some things. You have goals. You never forget your goals. You have to every time you have, because your time is going on day by day. So you are success your life. So if you want to success your goal, so then you have to do so many only three things. First of all, you have to fix your goals, what you want to do, to make plannings for that your goals. And second is fixed time limits is more essential for to do our goals in time limit, because if you have no fixed time limit to do our goals, so you have lazy, you don't want to do your works within time, and you forget that. So if you want to success in your goals, you have to fix it, write in your copies what you want to do. Success is not limited, it is changing with the time. It is changing with the time. If you want to succeed your goals, then you have to do so many things what I am doing here. So in one day 24 hours you have to plan, and you have to if you fix your goal, then you have to write that goals on your copy, and every day or night, at the sleeping time, at the waking time, and every day, every night and every morning you have to practice it. If you then you open your copy and learning what is your goals, what did you fix, at what the time limits that you have to finish at that time for your goals. Suppose if you want to be a rich person, then you have to fix how many monies will you want to earn, and at what time did you earn, how did you succeed that money. So you have to fix time limit, fix your goals, and focus on your goals. Do action, hard works, and believe yourself. Belief power is so many strong things. If you believe, if your belief system is so much strong, then you have to so beneficial for to success your goals. If your belief system is positive, then for your minds create so many positive things. I am telling you one things. If you don't know, I agree like that. If you thinking positive, I am success, I want to become a millionaire, I want to become a millionaire. If one day you don't believe now, but one day you agree me, you become a millionaire. But you have to do, you have to struggle, you have to fix that goals and do it. You just example I am showing you Thomas Alva Edison. For the inventions of bulb light, how many experiments he was done? I think he was done thousands of experiments, but he was failed. Only believe power systems he can succeed her goals. I am doing, I will do it. No one can discourage me. No one can disverse for my goals. I agree and believe our system is so much dangerous and so much powerful. If you want, I am speaking here, no, you know about the astronomy. In brief history of time, Stephen Hawking said that if I am speaking here, if I am speaking loudly or if I am speaking slightly, so my sounds and my produces so many waves. You know which waves produces my sound? Electromagnetic waves. That waves vibrating, that sound goes in the universe. And if I am, my thinking and my positive, my view and my belief system is positive, that positive electromagnetic returns in one day for me. And if I am doing great things, great, if my idea is great, if my viewpoint is great, that's one day time will come, I'm a goal successor. So thank you for this video. Thanks for watching.